Esteemed friends, in this particular sloka, Sri Krishna highlights the evils of Asuri Sampat. Asura is Rakshasa, Sura is Deva. In this chapter, he graphically presents both sides. One is the Daivamsha Sambhuta, the Devagana, the qualities of divine people, sattvic people, good people, righteous people. And the second, Asura, Rakshasa, demon. What are their qualities? What is it we do before going out? We look at the mirror. Literature itself is a mirror. Bhagavad Gita is a greater mirror, better mirror, which can show our inner minds. The physical mirror shows the face. The divine mirror shows the mind. The physical parts of the body, positive, negative, ugly, beautiful, two are there. When you look at your own face in the mirror, you see where the scars are, where the spots are, where the blemishes are, and they are to be removed. Dukkha nivrutti. Removal of the ugliness, removal of the unrighteousness, removal of the badness, removal of the Asuri Sampat. And that's not enough. Dukkha nivrutti is not sufficient. Sukha prapti, shanti is to be got. Beauty is to be obtained. Charm is to be increased. And that is makeup. First you wash the face because it is full of blemishes, scars, and then you apply powder. Make it better, make it more attractive. That is Daiva Sampat. You remove the bad qualities, you develop the good qualities. And what are the bad qualities? What are the good qualities? Krishna gives a long list. For the past few days, our scholars of the university have been wonderfully describing each sloka. Asuri, Rakshasa. In the Daiva Sura Sampat Vibhaga Yoga, in the list of good qualities, divine qualities, first and foremost is Tejas. And Tejas has many other things below. There is Ojas, there is Vachas, there is purity, there is removal of bad things. All these things come under one category. Second, Asuri Sampat, Kamayesha, Krodhayesha. The first and foremost, the root of all evils is lust, kama. To develop that tejas, to be divine, to be good, to be kind, to be generous, to be extraordinarily exemplary, what is the things to be removed? Lust. And all the other evils, kama, krodha, lobha, thousands and thousands of times the teachers, professors here have repeated these 6 evils. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. Good. They are to be removed. We have to practice. So what is the first thing to be removed from every mind? Kama. And what is to be developed in every mind? Tejas. And unless you remove Kama, Tejas will not flourish. Tejas will not develop. In Mahabharata, In Shanti Parva, Dharmaraj is taken by Sri Krishna Paramatma for an explanation for the lessons on dharma. At the commencement of the Mahabharata Yuddha, Arjuna became despondent, I don't want to fight. After the completion of the Mahabharata Yuddha, Dharmaraj said, I don't want the crown or the kingdom. Krishna must have been tired of telling Bhagavad Gita once again. He took Dharmaraj and his brothers to Bhishma. Bhishma was on the bed of arrows. He was given strength, energy, memory by the power of Sri Krishna. Bhishma sat up, not for a day or two. 56 days there were lessons. Pandavas went to Bhishma every day and several questions were raised by Pandavas. One of the questions from Dharmaraj. Pitamahaji, there is a qualification to become an MP. There is a qualification to become a lecturer, professor. There is a qualification to become a governor. Is there any qualification to marry? Is it enough if one is a man? Is it enough if one is a woman? That male nature and female nature are they sufficient to get qualified for marriage? Then Bhishma says, Asuri Sampat is not a qualification. Unless you develop that Daiva Sampat, what is that? To be removed. Then Bhishma says, those people who have no lust, who conquer lust, are qualified to marry. Marriage is not a license to lust. It is a sacred trust reposed in the conquerors of lust that they would provide the society with men and women of sterling character, tejas. There is a responsibility for every man, for every woman. And that responsibility is to provide the society with boys and girls of sterling character. Daiva Sampatti. I must be divine. I must be noble. I must be lust-free. I must be full of divinity to beget a boy or girl. Marriage is not a license to lust. It is a sacred trust reposed in the conquerors of lust that they should provide the society with boys and girls of sterling tejas. Sri Krishna highlights the other side evils. Janmani, Janmani. If you marry just to fulfill the needs of the body, to gratify the lust, you are perpetuating Asuri Sampat. You are begetting jackals, dogs, subhuman species, animals. It does not stop there. You will be begetting Hiranyakashipus, Hiranyakshas, Ravanas. In the Ramayana, there was one Ravana. Today, every street has a Ravana, every house has a Ravana. In the Dwapara Yuga, you had one Kamsa, now we have everywhere. That lust, Kama, is the root cause for all evils, for all Asuri Sampat, and it is perpetuated Janmani, Janmani. Janma after Janma, year after year, in the Kali Yuga, Rakshas are being perpetuated. Therefore, Krishna says, Dusta Sikshana, Sister Rakshana I made. In yesterday's lesson, he said, all these rascals will be born as Rakshasas. And he says, forever they remain perpetually condemned in the hells of Narakam, and they will be the menace to society, I shall come on earth to remove this evil, having come to Prashanti Kutir. This is a divine place, holy place, sacred place to improve our Daiva Sampat, to destroy our Asuri Sampat. We are blessed. We have come to a sacred place, and the mirror is shown by Sri Krishna. Make an analysis. How much evil you have, how much good or virtue you have. Promote that virtue. Demolish that vice. Be wise. Improve yourself. This is a wonderful ground where many rishis did tapas. We are blessed to have the Bhagavad Gita told every day. Let us make use of our stay in this campus. Let us kill Asuri Sampat. Let us promote Daiva Sampat. Let us be righteous. Let us be good. Let us be kind. Let us be generous. Let us be loving. Hari Om Tat Sat.
We request Dr. Sridhar sir to hoist the flag after Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyant.